Oh, of course you come out of nowhere. You know I was coming. Stop bringing me. The Chompnado looks like a 3 to me. The Sharks Underwater Promotions. How did they even get to the Temple of Hua, bro? Of course. There's pink objects. This ain't Rift Nate. Temple of Hua is good for Temple of Hua is good for Tartarus and Doomsday. Well, I prefer Timberton. Well, Timberton, I got my second Doomsday Survivor from that. The disasters were, I think the last one is Alien Invasion. Oh no, it was Hurricane. Third one is Alien Invasion, I think. Oh no, the first one was Hurricane. Is it? Oh no, that's my third Doomsday Survival. First one. Yeah, I don't know. I keep forgetting. I know there was Alien Invasion Flood. It said Lava Flood, didn't it? I think it did. And of course, you sent me out of bounds. And I'm gonna break my leg. I'm gonna break a leg, of course. How did I break a leg from that? I broke 3 bones. Guys, I broke 3 bones. Oh no, I broke 2 bones. Don't be a. Oh no. Super. If it's super, I'm quitting. I'm quitting this. I'm actually gonna crash out. Okay, no. Okay. Right. Okay. And I can't move. I can barely move. Mount Roxy. Lol. Mount Roxy. Stop talking about animals, bro. Of course, a mega eruption. Normal. That doesn't look like a mega eruption to me. What it really looks like. Of course, you burn it. If you summon Lava Surge, I'm finding you. I will find you. And of course, you break that part. I can make it dead. What if the volcano blocks decides to get inside me? Yeah, I would be dead. I would be dead if I even try to move. Oh my. Another mega? What do you think this is? You're not Giganado, boy. You're not a super volcano, bro. Ow. How did that hit me? Now it does work. End, please. Please end. End. Where's Amon? Finally, bro. There was only 2 mega eruptions, of course. You know what? I'm gonna stop recording here.